Did you know that the secret to youthful, glowing skin isn't just in skincare products? It's actually in the food you eat. Today, we're revealing the best collagen-rich recipes that will help keep wrinkles at bay and make your skin look healthier than ever. Stick around because you won't want to miss these anti-aging meal prep ideas that will transform your skin from the inside out. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you love beauty and wellness content. Why collagen is key to anti-aging. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body, making up around 75 to 80% of your skin. But here's the bad news. After the age of 25, our natural collagen production starts to decline. This leads to fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin. But don't worry. By eating the right collagen-rich foods, you can replenish your skin from within. Best foods to boost collagen naturally. Before we dive into the recipes, let's talk about some powerful collagen-boosting foods you should include in your diet. Bone broth, the ultimate collagen powerhouse. Salmon and fatty fish, rich in omega-3s to keep skin hydrated. Eggs, the whites contain proline, a key amino acid for collagen production. Berries, packed with vitamin C, essential for collagen synthesis. Leafy greens, chlorophyll helps boost collagen naturally. Citrus fruits, vitamin C helps convert amino acids into collagen. Nuts and seeds provide zinc and copper, crucial for collagen production. And to supercharge your results, you can also add a high-quality collagen supplement like Collagen Refresh to your daily routine. Anti-aging meal prep recipes. Alright, let's get cooking. Here are 3 delicious, collagen-rich meal prep recipes you need to try. Recipe 1. Collagen-Powered Breakfast Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup almond milk, 1 scoop Collagen Refresh powder, 1 banana, half a cup frozen berries, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon almond butter, half a teaspoon cinnamon. Blend everything together until smooth. This smoothie is packed with skin-loving nutrients to keep you glowing all day. Recipe 2. Glow-boosting bone broth soup. Ingredients: 4 cups homemade or store-bought bone broth, 1 cup chopped carrots, 1 cup celery, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon turmeric, salt and pepper to taste. Simmer for about 20 minutes and you have a comforting, collagen-boosting soup. Enjoy a cup daily to see a noticeable difference in your skin. Recipe 3. Anti-aging citrus salmon bowl. Ingredients: 1 salmon fillet, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 avocado, sliced, 1 cup quinoa, half a cup steamed broccoli. Grill the salmon with lemon juice, garlic, and olive oil. Serve with quinoa, avocado, and steamed broccoli for the ultimate skin-loving meal. How to incorporate these meals into your daily routine. The best way to see results? Make collagen-rich eating a habit. Here's a simple routine to follow. Morning, start with a collagen smoothie. Lunch, enjoy the citrus salmon bowl. Dinner, have a comforting cup of bone broth soup. Snack, a handful of nuts and berries for extra vitamin C and healthy fats. Collagen myths and facts. Myth: collagen creams work just as well as collagen supplements. Fact: collagen molecules in creams are too large to penetrate the skin. The best way to boost collagen is through your diet. Myth: collagen only benefits your skin. Fact: collagen also supports joint health, digestion, and even hair growth. Now that you know how to meal prep for glowing skin, it's time to take action. Try these recipes and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. And if you want to take your results to the next level, check out Collagen Refresh, a premium supplement designed to support healthy, youthful skin. Use code GLOW10 for an exclusive discount. Link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, stay glowing and stay healthy.